Hey, I'm starving. Do you want to go for barbecue?
Oh, yeah, we can. But the barbecue places are always crowded.
Well, I don't want to go then. I don't want to stand in a line.
Okay. Yeah, see, we have notification.
Oh, what does it say?
It says there are nearby restaurants in range.
Oh, okay. Oh, wow.
Oh, this is from DineQ.
What is DineQ?
It's an app that lets you join virtual queue for restaurants.
A virtual queue. Does that mean I don't have to stand in line?
Yeah, you don't have to. You can just join from.
Oh, nice. That's a barbecue place. Okay.
Yeah, see,
See,
it's
but
always
no
crowded.
available seats.
Yeah, but we can join the virtual queue from here.
Oh,
So,
okay. Oh, that's how it works.
oh, see, your portion is number 7.
Okay, so do you just want to shop around for a
Yeah,
bit?
we can just go around for shopping and then we can come back once we get notification from the app.
Okay, great. While they shop around, let us explain how this application works. For every restaurant that registers with the DineQ service, we will give them a restaurant side app. This app can be used to add new menu items, create new menus, and also update inventory at the end of the business day. However, it is a little bit hard to create a menu from scratch using just the app. So we will explain how this works using the Square dashboard and the Postman API interface.
So every time we want to update a menu, we call the upsert menu API. So this upsert menu API calls the upsert catalog functions provided by the Square. So we provide the category, the item name, and then the item variation. So once we have all this, we send the request to upsert catalog functions. And right now, if you can see, there is the Square dashboard is empty. So once I place an order and the order is successful, this means the menu has been created successfully. So that we can see by refreshing the Square dashboard. So as you can see, the categories and items have been created. And by default, all the items inventory has been set to 100. So at the end of the business day, if they want to update an inventory, they can call the update inventory API. And they can set the quantity of they can set the quantity. Then if they send the request, the dashboard will get successfully updated with the new stock. So as you can see here, the bruschetta is updated with a new stock of 30. And so after this, we will be placing an order, which we'll be doing using the user side app.
As we already saw, a push notification from the DineQ app lets the users know that there are restaurants nearby. Now, a user can log in to view the restaurants. Once they log in, they can see a list of the restaurants along with the address and rating. They can enter the restaurant that they like. Here you can see the queue size, the available seats, and see the option to join the virtual queue. As there are 20 available seats and the queue size is 0, we don't need to join the queue. We can directly enter the restaurant. We can verify this by going back and coming back to this page. We see that the available seats are now 18 instead of 20. Once you're in the restaurant, you can use the menu to add and remove items from a temporary cart. Here we see the items added and the total bill amount. This bill amount changes as you add or remove items from the cart.
So once you see the total bill, the user can proceed to place an order. So when we click the place order, we call the create order API from the Square, and this gives us an order ID. And once the order is successfully created, you can then proceed to view the tab. And when you view the tab, we use the retrieve order API to get the order ID from the catalog, and we are calling the create invoice API so that we can fetch all the order items and the total amount we have yet to pay. So we are also generating a unique 6-digit code for the users so that they can use this code and then they can proceed to the terminal POS and then they can say this unique code so that the staff can proceed for the checkout payment. So once a user has placed an order successfully, we now have the order ID as well as the unique order identifier code. We are going to fetch the unique order identifier code from the dashboard. So if we, using this unique order identifier, we can then proceed to checkout payment. So this checkout payment, the user has to provide the unique order identifier along with the email ID. We'll be getting the post body request. So if they do it, the order ID will be created, the checkout ID will be created, and the status will be pending. So Once this is done, we can verify whether the order is completed after the payment. So this can be done using the retrieve order function. Retrieve if. So using this, we can see that order state has been changed to completed. And to verify this, we can also see the transaction over here in the Square dashboard. So right now, it should reflect the latest transaction of $20. So this is the overall app flow we have created. Thank you.